Hello everyone, and welcome to the full course online. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to take a step-by-step journey into the world of Linux Mint, a powerful, beautiful, and user-friendly alternative to Windows. Let's begin. Open your browser, and in the search bar, type Linux Mint. From the results, click on the official link, linuxmint.com. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top menu and click on Download. Here, you'll find the latest version available. Right now, it's Linux Mint 21.2. You'll see 3 different editions: Cinnamon, X, and Mate. Each one is unique, but for this course, we'll go with Cinnamon. It's the most modern and feature-rich. Click Download under the Cinnamon edition. Now you'll see a list of servers. These are places you can download the ISO file from. I'm choosing the first one. The file size is around 2.77 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a little time. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, and there it is, the Linux Mint ISO file. Now, to create a bootable USB, we'll use a free tool called Balena Etcher. I've made a full video on how to use it. You'll find the link in the description below and also at the end of this video. Once your USB is ready, plug it into your computer and restart the system. On boot, choose the first option, Start Linux Mint, and press Enter. You'll see files loading. This is a live version of Linux Mint, a fully functional operating system running directly from your USB. It's great for testing or emergencies, but it doesn't save your data. So let's go ahead and install it fully onto the computer. On the desktop, double-click the icon that says Install Linux Mint. The installer will launch. First, choose your language. Then your keyboard layout. English is fine for us. If you're connected to the internet and you'd like to play music or videos after installation, check the box to install multimedia codecs. Now comes the installation type. If you want a fresh, clean install, choose the first option, Erase Disk and install Linux Mint. If you want to keep another operating system or install Linux on a specific drive, choose the second option. We'll go with the first one and click Install Now. You'll get a warning, it's okay, just confirm. Now, select your region from the map. It might be detected automatically. Next, type your name, pick a username, choose a strong password, and continue. Linux Mint will now start installing. While it installs, let me share some of the wonderful things you'll get with it. You'll have the Firefox browser, perfect for browsing, watching Netflix or YouTube. For music, Linux comes with great media players. You'll have VLC for videos, GIMP for photo editing, and even Office software built in, like LibreOffice, which is just like Microsoft Office. Apps like Google Earth, Dropbox, and even VirtualBox work beautifully. You can personalize your desktop, install updates, and there's a whole world of software waiting for you in the software manager. Installation is now complete. Click Restart Now. When prompted, remove your USB drive. Your computer will reboot, and now you'll see the beautiful Linux Mint welcome screen. You can choose a desktop color or theme, take system snapshots, like Windows Restore Points, manage drivers, and so much more. Let me quickly show you a few settings. To change screen resolution, right-click the desktop, go to Display Settings, and select the resolution you prefer. Open the menu, launch LibreOffice Calc. It works just like Excel. Then open LibreOffice Writer. It's your alternative to Microsoft Word. Want to change the wallpaper? Right-click the desktop, choose Desktop Background, and pick the one you love most. And when you're ready to shut down, open the Start menu, click the shutdown icon, and hit the red button. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with others. See you in the next one. Take care, and happy exploring with Linux Mint.